I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on the battery saver feature on your Google Pixel. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever found yourself with a low battery at the most inconvenient time? We've all been there, and that's why in this video I'm excited to show you how to turn on battery saver on your Google Pixel. This nifty feature is a real game changer, helping you extend your phone's battery life when you need it the most. Whether you're out and about without a charger or just looking to conserve power, battery saver mode is your go-to solution. Now let's walk through the steps to turn on the battery saver feature on your Google Pixel. Step 1. Navigate to your Google Pixel home screen. Swipe up on this screen to bring up a menu and then tap Settings in this menu. The settings screen is shown. Step 2. Tap Battery in this menu. The battery screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap Battery Saver. The Google Pixel Battery Saver screen opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Battery Saver. From here, you can choose either Standard Battery Saver or Extreme Battery Saver. Standard Battery Saver limits visual effects and background activity like app updates and turns on the dark mode theme if it isn't already enabled. Alternatively, turning on Extreme Battery Saver does everything that Standard Battery Saver does, but also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. Additionally, if you tap to expand Adaptive Battery, you can choose whether to use the Adaptive Battery feature, which will continually optimize how apps use your device's battery based on your phone usage. The only catch with this feature is that it may have a negative impact on your Google Pixel's performance and background activity. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.